afternoon, viewers. You are watching my YouTube channel, Balghari Kitchen. In today, Balghari Kitchen, I bring another super duper salad recipe. As you know, Ramadan is coming on, so we are going to make some dishes for Ramadan. I'm going to make a fusilli pasta salad with Italian dressing. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen, share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your lovely comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. So let me take you to Bulgari kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients for this salad. I'm going to show you all the ingredients. Here I have already boiled fusilli pasta. You can boil fusilli pasta 7 to 8 minutes. Green olives, some fried onion, olive oil, green capsicum, chopped onion, chopped cucumbers, yellow bell peppers, slice of black olive, red capsicum, garlic crushed herbs, chili flakes, sea salt, coriander leaves, emmental cheese I'm going to use, Italian dressing by Dr. Kitchen. So keep watching Bulgari Kitchen for this recipe. So viewers, let's start prepare our salad. Take one white bowl. Going to add the fusilli pasta. Look at this. Capsicum, red, black olives, yellow capsicum, green capsicums, chopped onions, cucumber, green olives. Take one white bowl, add your Italian dressings like this, add some chili flakes, some garlic crush, salt, mix nicely, mix this salad all together, all mixed together. Look at this nice color. And then pour your dressing in salad and mix again. Now mix nicely, add some olive oil, brown onion, coriander, and then mix again nicely. So almost our salad is ready, and then we add our salad. Some cheese on top, coriander leaves, the garnish, and some fried onion. So viewers, look, our beautiful fusilli pasta salad is ready. So viewers, our pasta salad is ready. I'm going to taste some. Looks how it looks like. Oh, colors looks nice. Wow, it's very healthy. Mmm. Very delicious. Let me taste some more. It's really nice. Mmm. So viewers, keep watching Bulgari Kitchen always. Share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your beautiful comments in comment section. Keep watching Bulgari Kitchen for upcoming new videos. Thank you for watching Bulgari Kitchen. Have a great day.